Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is going to be the quickest, easiest halo eye look that anyone can do. I'm just going to show you a technique so you can do a halo eye look really quick and super easy. So the first shade I'm going in with is Fresh Picked on Ardel A11 by Morphe, and I'm going to blend this all over the crease area. Next, I'm going in with the shade Independent on a Morphe M433. This is just a flat blending brush, and I'm going to blend this into the crease as well. Next, I'm going in with the Morphe M433 in the shade Generous, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, just all over, up into the crease by the lash line, and just make sure everything is nice and opaque. I'm then going to blend this shade into the bottom lash line using the same brush. I'm then going to brush away any fallout. I'm going to go in with the shade Sunflower. It's a gold shimmery shade on my finger, and apply this to the center of my eye. I'm then going to go with a lighter shimmer shade. This is Sunkissed. Going in with my finger and applying this to the center of that shimmer. I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M433 and apply the shade Generous to the inner and outer corners. And I'm just going to play around with the shades Sunflower and Sunkissed just so I can get the perfect balance of shimmer. I am then going to tap the shade Sunflower into my bottom lash line, copying the top lid. I am then going to highlight my inner corner with a gold highlight. This is Champagne Pop by Becca. I am then going to highlight my brow bone with the shade Magnolia. It's a beautiful cream matte shade. I'm then going to apply LA Girl Nude Eyeliner to my bottom waterline to help my eyes appear larger. I'm then going to apply Ardel Double 113 lashes and some mascara, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.